Okay, we can bring guys uh, fishing stuff, and then we come the next Saturday.
Well, we can think.
Yeah,
Okay,
we do the fishing.
look at the boat.
You get something, guy?
Yeah.
Not yet. Oh, okay.
But I'm not going. What is this?
Yeah. See, this one is the. We can walk there. Yeah. This is the boat. Is the you can park here the boats. Okay, this is the spot that you can park here. Everyone get the lot over here for the park. Guys, come. See that the kids, they are scared to come over here. Everywhere is water. That one is so nice boat. They have the fishing boats here also. It's come. No, it's okay. Come. No, that's fine. Don't look on the bottom. Look on the front. Yeah. Yeah, today is very beautiful weather and it's Saturday, and we say let's go to the waterfront park. The guy put the music in the boat. A lot of people, they're taking the stuff and going there. Yeah, this guy just left the boat. See? Oh my god, it's not nice. Oh, that one is, that boat is so fast. See? Oh my god. Yeah. It's going so fast. See?
It's not just season. Actually, there might be one, but they took something else.
See, the birds is coming also.
Yeah. Go back.
No, come. We almost done. Okay, the people, they get the parking spot over here. They park the car, the boats there, and then they go home. Okay, they park. And they have a car in the in the parking lot. Okay.
You leave it at the boat?
Yeah. They can take it at home. Some people they on the back of the car they have the hook.
Take a jet?
They can go. Okay, this is the last stop over here.
Exit tomorrow.
No, wait.
Yeah.
No left.
Okay, all the people they come from there,
Yeah.
They-
Oh, they come
yeah.
down here.
they're down here. Yeah.
Go on the boat.
Yeah. No. They go from that side. See? Yeah. She's a beautiful bird over here.
What is it?
Yeah. This one they leave from here. They when they come, they can move and park on that side anywhere, and they can go back there. See the guy is coming back.
He's just going super fast.
Yeah. See, he's just making the fun.
You need a boat.
I don't want to do that.
That is scary though, the turn.
Look, it's a water.
I know. Why does that be over there? On the tank.
That he's moving over here. He's coming back here.
Can I go back?
Yeah, let's go back. Not that scary, but let's go back.
Yeah, let's go. Let me see first this one. What they're coming back.
No fishing.
No fishing on here.
So you cannot go over here to fish.
Yeah, you can't fish on this side.
See the
That's not-
people is over there and they're not scared.
I did not tell.
Huh?
It's not scary.
They're not scared.
Yeah, let's go back. I wonder what house. What's the food then? The food. Never
It's safer. Up. Don't watch on the bottom. Watch on the front of there.
It's just water moving. Not the blood.
Oh, they have the gas station over there also. You see, they can put the gas in the for boat here.
They just got
Right there, see, 329. 329 per gallon.
I like
Okay.
it when they go.
We can bring the fishing stuff and next weekend we come here.
Next time.
Yeah, for fishing.
Yeah, we can go to the
So that boat,
Okay, that boat have the room in there.
Yeah,
This you can sleep there.
that's better.
Yeah. Yeah. That one is big one. That one is 2 floors.